Hello and welcome to 5 Minutes Excel. In this video, we will learn about keyboard shortcuts to change the formatting of your numbers. So suppose if you type in this cell 1234, by default, what is the format? It's general. But if I want to change again this format into general format, if it would have been in some other format, I'll use the shortcut Control Shift and the tilde key. So now this is in general format. Again the same number, if I want to convert, which is in general format, it's by default number, I will change again back it to general and just show you how it can be changed into number format. So Control Shift and 1. So this is in number format. Okay, similarly if this was general, I would have changed it to number format, and if it's Control Shift and the tilde key, it changes to general format. And time format, suppose this is 12, okay, and I want to change it into time format, so Control Shift and 2. So this changes into time format. See, if you see over here, then if you write some date, okay, now by default if you are using Excel 2016, I'm using 2016, so if I type, this automatically says that this is in date format. Okay, but suppose this date format I have to change into some date format but in some other style, so Control Shift and 3. So this is 18th October and whatever the date is. Okay, then currency format, I have 234 and I want to add a currency before it, so the Control Shift and keyboard 4. Okay, so dollar gets added to it. Then same 234, but now I want it in percentage form, so Control Shift and the 5 key, so it becomes in percentage form. Similarly, if I want to convert this 234 into a scientific format, so Control Shift and Control Shift and 6, so this is scientific format. Fine. Now if I have this 234, what happens to this 234? Actually 234, Control Shift and 7 adds a border around the cell, but by default now there are borders around my cell already. So what I'll do is first I'll remove the border. So for that the shortcut key is Control Shift and the underscore key. Or 1 minute, I'll type here 234. Okay, and then I say Control Shift and 7. So there is a border around the cell. But if you want to remove this border, okay, then Control Shift and the underscore key. So the border gets removed. So Control Shift 1, Control Shift and tilde for the general format, Control Shift and 1 for number, Control Shift and 2 for time, Control Shift and 3 hash, that is date, Control Shift 4 with the dollar, that is currency, Control Shift 5 converts your number into percentage format, Control Shift 6 in scientific format, Control Shift 7 adds a border around your cell, and Control Shift underscore and dash key removes the border around the cell. So this is all very simple to remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the symbols are already given. Just follow the symbols and change the format of your numbers. Thank you very much. I hope you like this video, and if you have liked this video, please don't forget to share, like, subscribe and comment. In the next video, I'll again come with some more shortcuts, and previous video also I have made a video on shortcuts from Control A to Control Z, please do follow that video. I'll give the description of the link of that video in the description box. Thank you very much. Bye.